What happens when a little girl decides to fly above the Himalayas? Let's find out.
Today is the biggest adventure of my life. But there's one question. Can I really fly?
Okay. This is it. I am actually about to paraglide off a mountain. Wish me luck, everyone. Here we go. All right, here we go. Time to run. Wow, I can feel the wind lifting us up already. We're flying! We're actually flying! Oh my gosh, look how high we are already! Look at that river! It looks silver ribbon. And those in my whole entire life. Mom, Charn, Fateh, I wish you could see this right now. I'm gonna remember this forever. This is the best day of my whole life. Wow, this view is absolutely incredible. I can't believe how high we are floating right now. The view is just incredible from up here. I'm beginning my final approach now. I did it! I actually flew over the mountains. I saw the valley and the river and everything. I am never gonna forget this. Burbilling, you are amazing. Best day ever.